We are here to invite you on behalf of ISLEC, a partner of EWMA.
And I'm pleased to announce that the 33rd conference of the EWMA will take place from 3 to 5 of May 2023 in Milan, Italy. We look so forward to see you in Milan.
And we have the subject of wound care, arts and science. It will be a great conference, and we will have a lot of different kind of focus sessions and key sessions. I look forward to see you there.
In the tradition of EWMA, we elaborated a new document on new technology for tissue replacement. The document will be published and will be available at EWMA 2023 in Milan.
We'll be providing an engaging and informative session on the holistic management of wound-related pain.
EWMA 2023 in Milano will definitely be a congress you don't want to miss. The scientific program there will be outstanding.
See you in Milan.